Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna make this beautiful yet elegant wall hanging. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end and do let me know how do you like it. And also before starting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. For this project, I have taken a wooden stick of around 9 to 10 inches long and these three pretty colors to go. I'm starting my first layer with this off-white color. You need 3 cords and each of them should be almost 200 centimeters long. Then start attaching 3 cords one by one with the help of a lark's head knot to the stick like this. Attach all the 3 cords with the same process and then secure your stick. I'm using this cello tape to do so. It really gets easy to work with when your base is secured. Now we have 6 cords in total. Separate outer 2 cords and take the middle 4 cords and make a square knot. Now we are gonna work with hitch knot here. Separate all the cords into 2 groups and each group will have 3 cords. Take the very first cord and keep it in a slanting way like this. This will be your base cord. Take the second cord and keep it in an upward angle like this. And pass it through the gap in between the cords and tighten. Do the same process twice with one cord. You basically have to wrap up your base cord twice with the other 2 cords. And this is how a hitch knot is done. Now switch to the second cord and repeat the same process twice. We will do the same process on the right side as well, keeping the first cord as a base cord and wrap up the base cord with the other 2 cords. Here we reach our step 3. Again we are making hitch knot here and this time the hitch knot is going to start from the inner side to the outer. Take the middle 2 cords and keep them in a slanting way like this and start making hitch knot on both the sides. So basically these are all the steps. We are gonna use them again and again and complete the whole wall hanging. Here we start with our first step, which was a square knot, and following by the rest too unless we reach our desired length. Now it's time to secure our other end to the stick. To do so, take 2 cords first like this, wrap the stick, and now take the outer one and wrap the both cord like this. Take it back. And turn your whole project upside down and simply tie 1 or 2 knots here and done. Repeat the same with the other 4 cords as well and cut the extra cords that are hanging. Let's move on to the second row where I'm using this yellow color. Now you will be needing 3 cords of around 250 centimeters each. Attach all the cords to the stick with the help of the lark's head knot. Once you are done with the first row, the second row is going to be really easy because you just have to repeat the same process and pattern. I have repeated the pattern here 6 times, and at the end you just have to attach the end like we did earlier and cut the extra cords. Here we are done with our second row as well, and for the third row I'm using this peach color. This time you will have to take 3 cords of around 310 centimeters each. Attach all the 3 cords with the help of a lark's head knot, and rest all the process is going to be same. Here we are done with our last and the third row. You can go for as many rows you want. Take some small cords around 20 to 30 centimeters and attach them with the help of a lark's head knot to the little gaps over here. Attach 2 to 3 cords on each gap and fill up the whole area. Once you're done, start brushing your cords like this. You have to be very patient in this step because it's gonna take a lot of your time. Keep brushing until it looks something like this. And at the end, take a pair of scissors and give it a nice round shape. And it's done. A beautiful yet elegant wall hanging is ready. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. And do let me know how do you like it in the comment section below. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.